So yes, we are here live and direct. Maroon Town, Accompong, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Yes, what a time, what a grand time it is here. This is our culture, this is our roots, and we must always remember our roots. Remember we talked about that earlier last year. Always remember your roots, and I have roots right here. I didn't even know that some of my family that I know recently, the Rose, they are rooted here in Accompong. Yes, and the Campbells, which I know of the Campbells, my family. So yeah, you gotta know your roots, you gotta know your roots, you gotta know your roots, and culture all the time. All right, so yes, it is an awesome day here, and we'll keep showing you more and more as possible of Maroon Town, Accompong. This is the festivity of the Grand Treaty, Maroon Treaty, signed some years ago. I don't even know the exact date. I know it's in the 1800s, but yes, we'll keep sharing and learning as we go along. So this is the journey to Maroon Town. We're in Accompong on this festive high day. This is one day that the Maroons festive. A lot of people around here. So this is the tour desk. So this is where the treaty, this is the treaty for the Maroons. So this is the museum. Okay, and that's Nanny. Nanny of the Maroons. Yeah, that's the bandana. So this is the museum. That's a quick view, quick tour. Okay. The stage set. People from all over the country, all over the world. Some Jamaicans from Germany, Jamaicans and other nationals.
Yeah. The next night go to you know.
Every little thing gotta be alright. Yeah.
This morning, ride with the rising sun.
Real birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and full.
This is a message to you. Say don't worry about nothing, but everything gonna be alright. Don't worry.
Calabash, you call it? Wait name?
Call it Cody, don't call it Calabash.
Go the bowl. Go the bowl. Our calabash bowl. This is the JA booth. Love it. I love the Jamaica bag there. Yeah. Irie. This is something from childhood. What we call it again?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Nice. All in Maroon Town.
Yeah.
Accompong. Maroon Town restaurant. Oh. It's a sea of people. Wow. Stuff sold galore. Food, people.
Take this picture. I wanted to take it.
Yeah, that's another hogged. Yeah, we stay far from those stuff. Touch it from a, don't even touch it. Yeah.
I see another one here. Last year something like
this. So this is the Ital corn soup.
Sip, you call it sip.
What you call it?
Soup, sip.
Sip?
Soup of meat, sip.
Alright. What they call them big man?
Yeah, man. Always. Man looking at pattern. I from Sapama. Yeah, up in. See? Mr. Palmer.
Mr. Palmer.
World boss.
World boss. You're another world boss.
Yeah.
Alright, sir. There are a lot of vendors and food along the street. So the festivities continues. It's a whole day and night celebration. This is like the Independence Day for the Maroons from Britain.
of all chiefs late last year. It's a historic show of unity that should not go unnoticed. And I'm going to read the message in his voice, as there is some very important information that he requires you.
Our works that our ancestors shed blood, sweat, and tears for
Will not be
will not
seen.
go unrecognized, will not go without acknowledgement, will not go will not go
Not
this
in
way.
vain.
This year I
Not in
decree,
vain.
I decree
I decree and
that
declare
if death have any
year
power,
of resurrection,
that if we who
restoration.
are here
Yep.
is not here for a purpose and a reason.
Very
So be it that whatever we lose, and whatever we found, we
It's
found.
found,
And
yes.
we said,
In the name
we
of
will
Jesus.
be recognized
Yes.
in this land that our ancestors
Amen.
fight for.
Hallelujah.
Will be.
Yes.
It is a must.
It is
has
a
to
must.
happen.
We will be recognized.
Quote, this year's theme echoes of the family that we came on the different ships. You with me? That we never came through immigration like people do. We came through customs because we were seen as property. And the Maroons were people who determined that they are not willing to live with anybody as their master, and they will not be property to anyone. We salute them today
Yeah.
on the 287th anniversary. Everybody say yay!
Yeah.
And we will continue to make that the blueprint for the future.
So this is Chief Currie.
To support our ministry, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.